friends, running kimono, and I apologize about the lateness of this video. We're dealing with kind of a snowstorm right now, which is really weird. So got to Walgreens no problem, but driving home, took like 45 minutes. This is a $35 basket, and after everything is said and done, just about a $12 money maker. So we're gonna go through this. And then I had a couple of those $5 store register reward coupons, which are kind of trickier to use. Like you couldn't use it with a spend booster, but you could use it with this. So I did get some papers this weekend, and I used that store coupon and I was able to get some papers. And then I got our precious trio of Yankee Happiness because I cannot get enough candles. So I'll talk about this as well because I know a lot of you are curious, like, what do you do with register rewards? With the store register rewards, this stuff, with the Godiva register rewards I was hauling, I actually used, I think 3 of them in this transaction, so I paid very little out of pocket. And then I'm going to talk about the Godiva deal because this is taking place, I think, right till Christmas Day. So if you wanted to partake, it's a very smart deal to get free chocolate. And then I did go to Walmart, and in this weekend's insert, there's some Finish coupons. So I was able to get these pods for very cheap and this liquid for like $1 and some change. And the weather report for you, my goodness, like look at the snow. And I don't know if you can hear the hum of my husband's snowblower, but it is really coming down. So it just started and like the snow machine is going. Okay, so the first store that we have is Walgreens, and we're just going to talk about this larger basket, and this is $35. So the 2 Colgates are $7.98 for the 2. They're $3.99 a pop. We have a 4 off of 2 digital, and then when you buy 2, you get back $4 of Walgreens cash, making that for free. So this was a really good item just to toss in. I got 2 of these Palmolives, and they are, I think, $2.99 each. So for 2 of them, that's $5.98. We have a $1 digital, and then plus I used a register reward from Godiva because that is a manufacturer register reward. Yes, I can use it in this transaction. Prepare to get confused. So I utilized it for this, and it was fantastic. And then when you buy 2 of these, you get back $3 of Walgreens cash. And then the 2 little Garniers, 2 for $7. We have a 3 off of 2. And then when you buy 2, you get back a $2 register reward. And then this little combination, the 2 Tresemes for $10. We have a 5 off of 2. And then this little guy for $4. Really pay attention that you're grabbing the correct toothbrush because there's some for $3, some for $4. You want the one for $4. Buy these 3 products, get back a $5 store register reward. And there's a $2 digital for this and a 5 off of 2 for this. And then I also got this to get my basket right to $35. So the sum total for this entire basket, guys, is $35.84. I got the cashier to scan the barcode of my paper booster, which was 8 back when you spend $35, plus the digital one I had was 6 back when you spend $30. And as I was spending $35, I qualify with this basket. Now I presented 3 $4 register rewards from the Godiva deal I've been doing in the last week. All of those scanned perfectly, plus one $3 register reward from Angel Soft. So that is quite a few register rewards, and all of them scanned for me. And then I also had $15 of digitals. The 5 off of 2 for the Tresemme, the $2 for the Oral-B, the 3 for this, the $1 for the Palmolive, and then the 4 off of 2 for the Colgate. After all of that, I had to pay $5.84 with my debit card. And then I got back $21.35 of Walgreens cash. The $8 booster, the $6 booster, $4 for Colgate, and $3 for Palmolive, plus a $2 register reward for the Garnier, and then a $5 store register reward for the Tresemme little combo. So after everything's said and done, if you do not factor all my register rewards that I used to pay this down, it's 4-cent money maker. So this is a really tremendous deal. Any way you slice it or dice it, putting those 2 boosters together with all of these promotions. The one snag you might have is I got the cashier to scan this, and one of those. I thought all my register rewards would attach to the second item as she scanned every single barcode. And unfortunately, 2 digital coupons did not come off, which include the 5 off of 2 for the Tresemme and the $2 for this, so $7 I paid extra. Now, what I had to do was call customer service or do the chat, and they just credited me $7. So that was really, you know, if you have no problem doing that, that is the one problem when you use that many register rewards, it'll start knocking out some of the digital coupons. But if you have no problem, you know, doing the chat, the person at customer service will credit you for missing coupons, especially when you bought said product. Okay, so for the next two deals, I'm using these store coupons. I could not use it in the last basket because that one is with boosters, and this is like an IVC. So please pay attention. It's a very subtle thing, but this is a store register reward. Very confusing, but I used it for the next two little dealios. Okay, so this is something I've had my eye on for the longest time, and I really wanted to get it, which was this trio of the Yankee Candles. We have like a balsam, a vanilla, and a cinnamon flavored. They're just so sweet looking, and they are $14.99. So the original price for this is $29.99. So as part of the 50% off this week, it's $14.99. I used a $5 store register reward from last week, plus I used $10 in Walgreens cash. So I paid like 54 cents for this, so I'm okay with that. Now I did want to get some of these inserts because there were some Finish and Airwick coupons in this specific one, and I was like, yup, I need to get a couple of these. So the newspapers here, I think they were like $2 or something like that. I grabbed a couple of them, and I used a $5 store register reward along with $3 of Walgreens cash. It works perfectly up here, and I was able to get my papers. I don't even think I paid tax for that. So just a smart, because they've, you know, every newspaper's gone up like $1 or so around here. So I'm okay with that, because it's one thing, this and garbage bags I hate buying. So I just figured that out, and using those store register rewards, I'm okay buying these, especially this or the P&G. Let's talk about the Godiva. Again, as I stated earlier in the video, this is taking place right up until December the 25th. So any way you slice or dice it, it's a really good little deal. So grabbing 3 of these, that's $10.50. We have a 2 off of 2 IVC. You'll scan it once and $3 will come off. I know it doesn't make any sense, but you're buying the third one, so the dollar will apply. And then we have a $1.25 coupon from the Smart Source of November the 21st. I utilized 3 of those. So the new total is $3.75. I used some Walgreens cash to pay that down and got back a $4 register reward. So I'm very happy about that. You need the cashier to scan every single barcode. If the cashier will scan one and then key in the extra 2, what'll happen is only one manufacturer coupon will attach. So you have to kind of be like, excuse me, could you do the following? or it'll get choked up at the register. Another question I want to answer, if you would like to use that $4 register reward on your second transaction to get more chocolate, the answer to that is no, because that's called rolling, and for this specific deal, the register reward does not roll from one transaction to the other. It never does. So do not do that at Walgreens, or you will not get a second one because you use the same register reward from transaction A to transaction B. Okay, so one thing I did forget to mention, a lot of you sent me this message, so I appreciate it. Godiva's having some sort of sweepstake that if you buy one of their products, you can enter to win prizes. I don't know what these prizes are, but prizes. So basically you just upload your receipt, put a bit of personal information, you know, just your email, that sort of stuff. And then they'll tell you on the spot if you won or not. And you can do this once per day. And this is the website. It's godivagiveaway.com. So if you've been hauling a lot of the chocolates, you might want to apply for this little sweepstake. That was Walgreens, and if you are living where there's a lot of snow in Michigan, be super duper careful, guys, because the driving out there is pretty treacherous right now. Just be careful on the roads. Now, in case you missed it, I did have a Bath & Body Works haul from Candle Day. I will link that video at the end if you wish to watch it. I review some of the newer candles and show you the notes and some of my picks. And I really had a great time on Friday over there, and this is the bag that I got. I was very tempted to go back again, but I didn't. So that was a little bit of willpower on this lady's part. Okay, the last little dealio that I have for you is over at Walmart, and as I stated in this weekend's Smart Source, there's a $2 for the finish tabs and then $1 for this. My mother is obsessed with doing her dishes, and this is her favorite like dish soap, so I'm just trying to get a couple to stock her up, and I know this Rinse Aid, like, she really likes it, or they don't make it anymore up in Canada, so she's like, oh, could you get me some of that? So I'm like, okay, Mom, no problem. Merry Christmas, Mom. Okay, so this little guy is $3.77 for the pods. The $2 coupon scans beautifully for that. You're gonna pay $1.77 out of pocket. IBOTTA is giving back $1.50, so it makes it 27 cents, which is a really great price point for 12 tabs. Okay, the final little dealio that we have is with this finish. It's some sort of Rinse Aid. My mom loves it and swears by it. It's $3.64. We have $1 coupon, again, in the same Smart Source from this weekend. You'll pay $2.64, get $1 back from IBOTTA, so it makes it $1.64 for a product that's just under, like, you know, close to $4. My mom will be so happy. Hey guys, before I sign off, if you're driving in any sort of winter conditions like this and trying to get out there an extreme coupon, these deals are all week long. If you're not comfortable driving in this, it's always smart to stay home. If it would have been like this when I first got out this morning, I probably would have got hubby to drive me, or I would have stayed home myself. Be safe out there, and we'll catch you in the next one.